What's up guys, it's Big Bang Crypto here, and yes, as you could tell by the title, we're back again with a passive income video. Maybe a gem, maybe not. Today's crypto is called Splash Network or Splassive. But before we jump into this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment what y'all guys think about this, and I will leave my buddy address inside of the description. Now, as you can see, this is basically a fork of Drip Network. I'm pretty sure y'all guys do know what a Drip Network. But so far, all of the comments that are all of the videos that I have been seeing on Drip Network have been somewhat relatively good, and in terms of the passive income side, and I heard a lot of people are making a lot of money. But me, I personally feel like I missed the early bird on Drip Network, and well, fortunately for me, I actually spot this this project last night. For the guys that think that they are late for Drip Network, and plus it is a low price to get into now, there is called Splash Network, and as I said, this is a fork. And if you feel like you missed the boat on that on Drip Network, there's Splash Network, which is still pretty cheap to get into. I believe one token is around $17, and I believe the minimum to deposit is one drip or one splash or whatever. But yeah, so we're just going to read through this first, and then we're going to head over to the white paper. The official token on the Splash Network is Splash. On the Avalanche Network, or the Avalanche chain that captures the value of being scarce, deflationary, censorship resistant, and being built on a robust but truly decentralized blockchain. The recommended exchange for a trading Splash is the Well contract, which is basically one of the tablets on this. When we go back, you'll be able to see it. It allows you to, basically the tab basically allows us to waive the initial 10% tax on buys and provides the lowest prices and the highest liquidity, resulting in less slippage for trades. So they're basically saying that when you do have Avalanche in your MetaMask and you want to buy the Splash tokens, it's better to buy it on the website because you get to waive the 10% by tax. And yeah, so as you can see right now, there are currently 2,821 players inside of the contract. The maximum daily return is around 2%. Well, is 2%, and I believe this is higher than Drip. So to be honest, this might not necessarily last as long as Drip, but if you get it early, as I said, with these projects, you need to get it early. The people that get it early are the people that get out, or at least get back their initial investment plus a little more. The total supply is 1 million tokens, and you can basically see how much transactions are being transacted right now, which is basically 9,573. So let's head over to the white paper first before we go any further. Alright, so here's the white paper. It says the first ever deflationary daily ROI platform on AVAX. 2% daily return on investment, sustainability through tax on the TVL, full team building, referral system, and the compound interest. The first thing we're going to look at is the Splash Network, the tap. I don't think we necessarily need to look at the compounding bonus, the onboard system. Probably going to look at the onboard system and the shore or the Splash Network. Splash Network is the latest project developed by the Splassive team. The official token, we already read that, and this reading here is so fine. The recommended exchange for the Splash, I told you all, was the Well contract, which is basically the tab, which is basically buying it on the Splash website, and it says Splash can be deposited into the Splash tap contract to provide a consistent 2% daily ROI up to 360% of initial principal amount. So y'all guys can read this. The Splash Network. The Splash Networks, the top is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similarly to a high yield certificate of deposit. Players can participate by purchasing Splash from the platform swap page, joining another user's Splash team. So in order to join the in order to join the tap, you need to join underneath somebody's, and if y'all guys are getting started, y'all can join underneath mine. As I said, it will be in the description, but it says the minimum is 10 splash minimum, which is the requirement. The Splash Network, the tap, is a low risk, high reward contract that is similar to a high yield certificate of deposit. Players can participate by purchasing Splash from the platform swap page. The minimum there's a 10 Splash minimum requirement. Depositing Splash to the top contract earns consistently 2% daily, and this the maximum payout for this is basically 360%, which would give us 180 days basically. Yeah, players can also compound their earnings through regular deposits, rolling rewards as the team based referrals. Unlike many other platforms promising a consistent percentage return, the TAPS contract can't the TAPS contract cannot be drained and will always be able to provide the splash that has been rewarded. Okay, fair enough. And basically, y'all guys can read the rest for yourself. As I said, I want y'all guys to do your research. Just don't come and listen to me and then go back and do what y'all guys feel like. So now let's head over to the well. So as you can see, the price for one splash right now is $17.83. You can see how much AVAX is locked and how much splash is locked and how much is worth in AVAX. So right now they have about 1.4 million USDT locked. You can see in terms of the price how it's going here. You can see how much splash is inside the contract right now, which is basically 46, and inside the total supply is 1 million. Let's head over to the top. So basically, as I said, it's basically the same setup, or almost the same setup as drip, and these have the same hydrate, basically recompounding. And here is where you will basically come and type in the person that you're sending a leaf under, and I said my buddy address will be in the description below, be the first link. Oh yeah, shout out to DeFi Income. This is his buddy address that I have here. What is going on here, man? Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna buy at least one of these tokens. 0.24. I have some more money coming in, so until that money comes is only until I'm gonna buy, or I'm gonna put some more money inside of here. So we say 0.5, so 30, so 3. Okay. Now let's buy this. Like 3, 5. Confirm. So he's gonna wait to see transaction confirm. Pop it in the corner. Perfect. So since that is transferred, let's go over here. And our splash balance should be correct. I'll put it any time here. So let's put a 1 here. And let's approve this first. Let's wait till we see transaction successful up here. Perfect. Now let's deposit this one. Perfect. This one. Confirm. Now just let us wait to see transaction successful, and we're going to move forward from there. Perfect. perfect. This should go from here to here. Oh man. I thought it would have took off at least one for here. As I said, I'll be depositing more money outside of here as well. But so far, this is one. We have 0.09, which is around $15. I don't know why. But I'll be started up. That's no problem. As I said, I'll be depositing more money here. And yeah, I'll be setting my buddy address in the description. So then let's head over to the shore. So as you can see, you could basically buy and get rewards in here as well. It says the shore is the Splash Network solution for players that want to benefit from the non-inflationary yield farming through adding liquidity to Splash. So you all guys can come here and do this as well. And here's the swap. And yeah, and that's basically it, guys. So as I said, these type of protocols are risky, but the key to making it out in these projects, you have to get in early. I'm going to keep stressing it each and every single video, because I am seeing some comments talking, oh, why are you promoting scams? You know, this is a scam. But in every scam, there's a silver lining where there's that opportunity to get filthy rich, and you have to get in early. As I said, this only launched yesterday, so this is extremely early. You all see how successful Drip has been. I'm not going to say that this is going to be successful, but it has the potential to be. And once you get in early, hopefully, once you don't invest your entire life savings, we should come up with a plus. So yeah, guys, Big Bench Crypto here.